A. A. The first letter of Hindi alphabet is A. A. It is pronounced as U in English word cat. So the name of this letter is A, and it is also pronounced as A. Ank. 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 Ank means any of the number from 0 to 1. Ank. Ank is any number from 0 to 1, or a digit. Now let's see an example. 2016 में 4 अंक हैं. 2016 में 4 अंक हैं. The number 2016 contain 4 digits. 2016 में 4 अंक हैं. The number 2016 contains 4 digits. Another meaning of ank is the version of a magazine, etc., published on a particular day, in a particular month, etc. Another meaning of word ank is the version of a magazine, etc., published in a particular day or in a particular month. Let's say an example. गृह शोभा का अक्टूबर अंक. गृह शोभा का अक्टूबर अंक. The October number of Greh Shobha. The October number of Greh Shobha. The October number of Greh Shobha. Another meaning of Ank is an act of a play, drama, opera, etc. Another meaning of Ank is an act of play, drama, opera, etc. Let's see an example. नाटक के 5वें अंक के तीसरे दृश्य में हीरो मर जाता है. नाटक के 5वें अंक के तीसरे दृश्य में हीरो मर जाता है. The hero dies in Act 3, Scene 5 of the play. नाटक के 5वें अंक के तीसरे दृश्य में हीरो मर जाता है. The hero dies in Act 3, Scene 5 of the play. Another meaning of Ank is mark, standard, grade. Another meaning of Ank is mark, standard, grade. Let's say an example. मैंने रीता को 50 अंक दिए. मैंने रीता को 50 अंक दिए. I gave 50 marks to Rita. मैंने रीता को 50 अंक दिए. I gave 50 marks to Rita.